So we are going to perform another experiment of physics class 12, and our aim is to justify Ohm's law. We know that Ohm law states that voltage is directly proportional to current, which means that if we increase voltage, our current will also increase respectively. So you can see that the circuit has already been made. You can see that in this circuit, resistor is parallelly connected with the voltmeter. So here resistor is parallelly connected with the voltmeter, and beside this voltmeter, ammeter is given. So ammeter is also there. Now we have to turn on the switch. So this circuit is ready for us use. Now with the help of this rheostat, we will increase 5 division of this voltmeter. So you can see that here in the ammeter section, 5 division is also increased, which means that the both are going in a similar line. So we will again increase 5 division. So you can see that it is also increased 5 division. Now we have to calculate the least count of this voltmeter and ammeter. For the least count of voltmeter, we will see that here after 0.5 is given. So 0.5 will be written in the numerator section, and for denominator section we will check the number of lines in between 0 to 0.5, and that is 10. So 10 will be written in the denominator section. So our least count of voltmeter will be 0.05. Similarly, for counting the least count of ammeter, we will see that after 0, 5 is written. So 5 will be written in the numerator section, and denominator again we will check the number of lines between 0 to 5, and that is 10. So we will get our least count of ammeter as 0.5. Now we will make 3 rows. In first row we will write the voltage, in second we will write the current in milliampere, and in the last row we will write the resistance. For voltage, we will multiply the volt with its least count, and for ammeter, we will multiply the current with its least count. And for resistor, we know, like I already said, that V is directly proportional to I, and we will remove the proportionality with a proportionality constant, and that is R. So by solving it, we will get resistance is equal to V by I. V is the voltage and I is the current. So we will write all the values from this voltmeter and from this ammeter and multiply with their least count respectively, and after getting a series of values, we will again divide voltage by current and we will get resistor. So you can see that the resistor of each and every values is same, that is 0.1. It also states that the voltage and ampere is moving respectively, and it's moving with the same time. So we will plot all the values on a graph paper. We will not prefer this white sheet. Instead, we will use a graph paper for plotting our graph. So you can see that on x-axis we have plotted voltage, and on y-axis we have plotted current in milliampere. So after plotting all the values, we will get a straight line. This straight line is nothing but the resistance. So this straight line will be named as resistance. So you can see it is a straight line. This shows that our circuit and our plotted graph both are following Ohm's law. So by this we can prove that V is directly proportional to I and both move at the same speed. Thank you.